Advanced exam, which has absolutely no link with the board exam, is totally different. Different things are expected. In spite of that, he's able to score above 95% in board exam. He was expected to be first, but he's second even in board exam, which is not really going to play any role. Based on board exam, he doesn't get admission anywhere. In spite of that, with minimum effort, he has got 95%. And we had total 26 scores out above 150. So that means these students are also eligible for NITs. It's a big number, 26 students getting through JEE main NITs, which is a big number in Goa, considering the size, population size and population students. Eligible to apply for engineering colleges in Goa, 15 are Mushtifund Aryan students. It's a big number, 15 out of 18. Fine. And Pratheek again leads the table there. He's got 144 out of 150 in maths and physics, because that's what they see for an engineering college. And then the second guy is 130, that is something like 14 marks less than him, and then a very close 15th position is 110, Shaunak Karapurkar. Without taking into account 200 extra seats, where 19 of our students, which is a big number, are getting BITS Goa, Hyderabad or Pilani campus.
I feel like if I was in any other school, I would not have been. It's not the way that this school prepares you. It is, you can do it. There is no other, I'm saying it full confidence, there is no other school in Goa that can prepare you like Aryan does, and there is no other person in Goa like sir who has the ability to administrate and also the ability to teach and the ability to manage everything and give results. So I want to thank sir. I didn't get a chance, so thank you. And to my parents, of course, who have always supported me. They never put pressure on me for anything. And I think that's why I can do better, because they have never set any expectation, never put any restrictions on what I should do and what they want me to do. So and everyone else in Aryan also, you cannot do, a single person cannot do well. So all my batchmates, we discuss, we solve together, and there is never any bad like, oh, he's got more than me, he's getting more than me. There's never that competition. We are all happy for each other, and without that you can't do well.